In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit products on your online store. Squarespace 7.1 tutorial. We'll start from your Squarespace dashboard. Open your website so you're looking at the site editor. On the left, choose Pages, then open your shop. This is where all of your products live, so it's the best place to make quick updates and see them in context. Inside the shop, click the highlighted item you want to work on. That opens the product card. Next, select Edit to open the full product editor. In the editor, place your cursor in the highlighted field and type to update the product title. If you see placeholder copy, like a line about how everything begins with an idea, click that text and replace it with your own product description. Use clear, benefit-focused language so shoppers understand exactly what they'll get. Now head into Details. Here, click through the highlighted areas to adjust the essentials. Update images by adding high-quality photos. Set the price and sale price. Check the SKU. And manage inventory if you track stock. Use categories and tags to keep your store organized and improve on-site filtering. If you offer variants, such as sizes or colors, make sure the options and pricing are correct. You can also review visibility, the URL slug, and SEO title and description so your product looks good in search results. If you've made experimental changes you don't want to keep, choose Cancel to discard them. That's useful when you're testing copy or comparing layouts. Then, click the highlighted fields again, re-enter the updates you do want, and confirm everything looks right in the preview pane. When you're satisfied, finish by selecting Save. Saving publishes the changes to your live site, so give each section a final glance before you confirm. I like to refresh the storefront and product page to make sure the title, description, price, and images display exactly as expected. A few quick tips as you work. Keep descriptions scannable with short paragraphs, name your images clearly to help SEO, and use consistent formatting across products so the shop feels cohesive. If you need to step away mid-edit, saving ensures you won't lose progress. That's it. Edit from shop, click the highlighted areas to update content and details, cancel if needed, and save when you're done.